1949 GMC 150 5-window pickup, step side. Crate 350 underneath the hood that's paired up with a 700 R4, so automatic with overdrive transmission. It does have a manual lockout, and that'll be the red switch on the left of the column. When we get around to the interior and check that out a little closer, I'll point it out. First, let's take a look at the bright work up front. Grille, bumper, headlight surround, some of the bright work on the hood and hood ornament. Call this color a black cherry, or real deep, I guess wine color, if you will. Take your time looking at the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll see the engine bay, underside, interior. Also, you can call us 507-386-1726. Now, you can see the Keystone wheels on there have been kind of painted to match. I've also noticed if you get this in just the right light, you can kind of see it in here. The cab is a shade lighter, I guess, than the box and the fenders and the hood. Like I said, you kind of got to get it in the right light, what have you. But you can kind of see it there. I just want to make mention of that. Tan interior, vinyl, bench seat. And we'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer. There's Dolphin gauges, aftermarket stereo. I want to show you some of that too. We'll start it up. Let's hear it run. Little tool chest or storage chest for when you go to roll-ins or car shows. We'll carry stuff inside of there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. There is a receiver hitch underneath there. Looks like a full-size spare under there also. And that is a sticker. As far as on the rear, that could be taken off if you wish. Just mention it to your sales consultant. Again, take your time looking through the still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. At the end of this video, we're going to start this truck up, let you hear it run, take a look at the engine bay. You can see the wood finished off very nice in the back with kind of a cherry color to it too. Looks good with the deep colored paint on this truck. As you can see, side exiting exhaust in front of the rear wheels there. Paint has a nice shine to it. All right, a couple other things I want to mention about this truck. The subframe, front end and rear end, 75 Nova. Does have disc brakes up front. Some of the recent service done to this too. Axle seals, wheel cylinder, and drum brakes, all just gone through or replaced. All right, take a look at the door panel. Be able to see a close-up of the actual serial number and info tag that will be in the still pictures. Be able to see that up close. Again, vinyl bench seat. Tilt column, Dolphin gauges, cruise control, as well as power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. There's an idea what the gauge cluster looks like. Let's go ahead and start this up. Earlier I mentioned the manual lockout, overdrive trans right there. That is it. AC controls here. Like I said, AC does blow cold. Aftermarket stereo added. That is also working. That is for the wipers. I've had the wipers work too. You'll probably see that on the ride along too. So remember, at the end of this video, I'm going to take it down the road so you kind of get an idea of what it's like going down the road in this pickup. A virtual ride, if you will. Stand here, probably easiest to hear what it sounds like. Nothing crazy over the top for exhaust, no. Again, that's a Crate 350 paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission with overdrive. I'm going to pause this 1 second. let's get the hood open, check out the engine bay, and then we'll wrap around up this walk around, and you'll be able to see like what it's like driving down the road. There we go, the hood popped. There it is. Got some chrome dress up on there too, between the alternator and compressor, valve covers, air cleaner cover, Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock 4-barrel, headers, some power steering pump down here also. The boosters on the underside, you'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Cruise control box. It's got radiator overflow. Nice looking engine bay, nice setup. Sounds good. It's running good. 1949 GMC 150 5-window step-side pickup. UniqueClassicCars.com. 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1949 GMC 5-window pickup. Beautiful truck. Very nice paint color, very nice interior design. We have a retro sound style radio in the dash. That sounds really good. This is an automatic on the floor. Acceleration in this truck. Nice tight steering. This truck feels good on the road. You got a nice suspension feel. For gauges, we do have Dolphin gauges. The fuel tank is showing about half full. Oil pressure is showing 60 pounds. Volts are showing about 14, and the temperature is nearing 180 degrees right now, Fahrenheit. Our turn signal indicators do both work in this truck, but you have to turn them off when you're done turning. Brakes work very well. I always like GMC, just a little different than Chevrolet, a little harder to find. Some of the grille stylings are even better, in my opinion, too. You can hear that awesome muffler thumping. Very good sound out of this truck. You have a bench seat covered in a vinyl. Also very comfortable. Great styling. Take a look at all the pictures. Undersides, engine bay, anywhere you want to see. There's a picture at UniqueClassicCars.com.